Are you easygoing or difficult to live with? Are you a person who never forgets past arguments and brings them up months or years later? Are Filipinas moody or happy people? Are you easygoing or difficult to live with?
Yes, I'm easygoing. Also, I'm easygoing. I consider myself as easygoing person because um I'm a freshman student in college, and like on the very first day of our school, I have made friends, several friends already in just an hour.
Wow. So you're someone like very talkative, like that, very friendly.
Kind of.
How about if a foreigner approached you and he wants to be friends with you? Would you be friends with him?
Yeah, I won't mind.
That's very nice. That's very friendly of you.
Actually, we're like interested with making friends with foreigners. Then we always talk about it, like if we're open.
The two of you?
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. How about you? How can you say that you are easygoing?
Just like what she said, I am also a talkative, and that's why I don't find it difficult to find friends.
Are you both singles? I'm just, being nosy.
I'm in a relation.
How about you?
NBSB, no boyfriends in.
No boyfriends. Why? Are you picky?
Um no, I just prioritize my studies first.
First.
I've been studying very hard since then.
That's beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay. Anyway, what do you call this? When you are in a relationship, do you question your man, especially you because you're in a relationship? Do you question your boyfriend? Where is he going and are you strict?
Yeah, I always ask him because I wanna know where he wanna go, because I don't know. I just I just want to know so that I won't overthink. And but I'm not strict, like strict.
Like crazy, like kind of obsessed. Like where are you like this, like that? Who are you with like that?
Sometimes when
What?
sometimes
Sometimes, but not a lot. Not a lot of times, right? You don't do that. Yeah. Sometimes only. Okay. I think you do that when you felt like you're jealous to someone, yeah, right?
when I overthink.
Of course. That's very common for women. Right? We overthink. Yes. Just wait when you get married. You're going to overthink more. Okay. Anyway, okay, how about you? Do you see yourself like questioning him, like in the future, asking him, where are you? Where are you going? Who are you going with? Or are you gonna be strict?
Personally, I view relationship as a commitment.
Mm.
So like um it is when you're committed, you really have to update your partner where you're going, what you are doing, because yes, you're committed. So you're like working as partners, not just an individual. So that's already given when you enter a relationship. But personally, I won't be that strict that much. I'll still consider his privacy. So yeah, that's it.
Privacy. Give him time, like me time, right?
We all need me time.
That's very fair of you. I like that. Yeah, very fair.
Mhm.
You're welcome. Now, my next question is, are Filipinas moody or happy people?
I think both. Filipinas are, yeah, moody, but yet Filipinas are happy people also.
How about you?
Yeah, I would say both also. Depends. It depends on the time. It's the time, if it's the time of the month. Yeah.
Definitely. Are you a person who never forgets past arguments and brings them up months or years later?
Yeah. I am that person. I don't know why, but some even those little,
things that I don't know,
That hurts you.
yeah, I always bring them up, especially when there's argument. I it's my coping mechanism. I always bring them up. I don't know why.
I think even me sometimes, especially as women, when we get hurt, we tend to like we remember what happened before, right? Okay. But do you think is it nice or do you think it's not like it's kind of, we shouldn't be doing that?
Yeah, you shouldn't be doing that. I think it's toxic.
It's toxic. Okay. Okay. How about you?
Same with her. Because usually others perceive me as a very argumentative person. Yeah, and I don't easily forget things because I do believe that little things that little things matter the most. Yeah. Even the smallest thing that could possibly remind me of what you did to me, you're dead.
Oh no, that's scary. So we have here a couple. And they're so cute. I saw her from afar earlier. They were taking pictures. So I was like, you know what? Let me interview them. Okay. So anyway, for the first question, are you easygoing or difficult to live with?
Um, I am easygoing because as a Filipina, we are flexible. So we adapt to the people who are talking with. We are talking with po.
Okay. How about you? Are you easygoing or difficult to live with?
Well, I'm e- I'm easygoing depends on the person's personalities because I'm depending on how they react and maybe I can adapt to um people who I'm talking to, something about like that.
How about you? Do you think he is really easygoing and it also depends to people he's talking to, like the way they are?
I think it depends on the people because he is he is introvert. So if we don't like the people or the person, he like he will distance in himself.
How about you? Do you really think she is easygoing?
Yeah, because
Yeah, that's what he can only say. Yeah, you cannot say no. You cannot disagree. Oh my goodness, he cannot say no. Okay. Anyway, when you are in a relationship, well, of course you do, right? You're in a relationship. Do you question your man, like where he is going, and are you strict?
I am not that strict because I have yes, I have trust in him, but I of course, I'm a girl. So I tend to ask where he will go or who he's with. So if he answer it honestly, I'll trust him because I know he loves him. I know he loves me.
And you appreciate it, right? Like his honesty.
And sometimes I don't even need to ask him because he will update me
Oh, that's very nice of you.
automatically. So,
Oh.
you know, if he said that he will go to to somewhere or like a mall, I'll I'll yes, I will answer it quickly. Okay, because I trust in him.
Oh, that's very nice. Are Filipinas moody or happy people?
happy people, of course.
I think both because I am both.
So Filipinas are moody and happy people.
Yeah, because of course we are women. We have mood
Swings.
yeah, especially if our menstruation, if our period is coming. So being moody is I think is normal, but not too much na like
OA, overacting like
yeah.
that.
So I think, and I'm also happy person.
I can see that. Definitely, I can see that. For the last question, you guys, are you a person who never forgets past arguments and what do you call this? And brings them up months or years later?
Maybe depends. If we did not resolve the problem, I tend to like over I
Like
yeah,
bring it up.
bring it up. But if we already resolved it and we already talked about it deeply, yeah, I forgot.
How about you?
For me, the past arguments is didn't matter in present because um past arguments mm,
So you don't really
yeah.
talk about it or bring it up, like maybe like after months, years, like you remember it. You don't do that. You don't bring it up.
I don't because it's really hard to to solve a problem that already solved. Yeah.
Oh, I like that one. Okay. But anyway, thank you so much for having this interview with us. We have to go now because they're having, loving moments. Lovey dovey.
Birthday.
Oh, happy birthday! Oh my god! If we have time, it's because we don't have time. I have a baby.
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna treat you. But I can maybe we can see each other after the interview, hang out together. I really like you, Be. She's so sweet. You're so lucky. She's very sweet. Oh, happy birthday! You're welcome. Okay, so thank you so much for having this interview with us. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye. Beautiful reflections